Hello everyone. Why my child is disorganized? Is your child disorganized? If yes, I'm damn sure you did multiple things to make them organized. Have you found the reason behind this? If your answer is no, then parents, we are giving you some solution how to make your child organized. So, what is the reason behind this type of behavior that they forget multiple things at school? I think reason maximum of parents know that reasons are us, we parents, because we always giving them instruction, we remind them like GPS, put off your shoes, wash your hands, remove your jacket, flush your toilet, etc. etc. And after giving so many instructions, we get frustrated that how he's able to manage his things by his own, why he's not doing these things by himself. You can manage your child at home very easily. You can give him instructions, but at school there are 30 students and teacher alone is not able to handle each and everything. And then you find the problems like that. You forget your water bottle, where is your pencil box, your books are missing, where you left them. Like these things happens with child. So, how to make child organized? We all want to make our child organized, not for a short term but also for a long term also. First of all, make a visual checklist. For daily routine work, we have to make a visual checklist like this, where we mention each and everything that have to handled by child independently. This is morning routine. When to wake up, when to finish milk, when to brush, when to walk, and when to use bathroom, and then get ready and then eat your breakfast. And this is a daily routine. I schedule it for a week. You can make it for a month also. If first of all, help your child to follow this routine and then minimize the help or take away the help, right? You can do one thing, you can just laminate it and give a marker to your child to tick it here. If he wake up at this time, then he just tick on a particular day. Like if he wake up at 6:20 on Monday, just tick over it. If he able to finish milk till 6:30, tick here. If he is able to brush at 6:35, tick it here. Like this. This is a schedule that you have to help your child to follow. This is morning routine. This is after school checklist. First of all, put off shoes. He himself do it. Wash hands and dress up. Eat. Nap time. Play time. Milk time. Homework time. Screening time. Dinner time, and then bedtime. I schedule it for a week. You can first of all follow for a week, and after that your child is able to learn each and everything, and he is able to follow this routine by himself or herself, right? This is some backpack books or notebooks for school. Here you have to mention the date and the day and the books that child need to carry in his or her school bag, right? Both rough notebook, almanac plus pencil box on a daily basis. This is Hindi notebook, EVS notebook and EVS textbook. When he is able to do this work, then you have to cross it here that it is done. For a next day you have to mention it like this, then he again cross it here and you write it again. If he is able to do it, then he put a cross over here, right? Second thing is reward and praise. If your child is able to do each and everything by himself, then give them some reward or praise him. Third thing is break task in multiple parts. Don't say like this, go bring your EVS notebook, open page number 41 and then solve question number 4 and 5. This is a big task for a child. Break it in smaller parts. First of all, give him command of bring your EVS notebook. Then give him command like open page number 41 and then tell him to complete question number 4 and then tell him to complete question number 5, right? So it is very easy for child to do the instruction when it is break in subtask. Fourth is easy accessible things by organizing in different color folders. Now it is very easy for child to bring the books or worksheets when they are organized properly. So organize them in different section in your almirah or cupboard, right? Involve in household chores. There are so many household work where you can involve your child, like for making the household list you can involve your child, right? Error and trial, let them do errors. Yes, they do errors and they learn by themselves. So let them do errors. When they do errors, they are able to do it correct also. For first 1 week, help them to follow the routine. And then after that, take help away slowly over time. So how to make child organized? First of all, make visual checklist like I make it. For everything, just make checklist and paste it on the wall. Second, reward and praise. Give them small rewards and praise them where it is needed. Third thing is break task in the subtask. You can break a single task in multiple parts, right? Fourth is make your cupboard or bookshelf very accessible by organize them in different color sections or different color folders. Involve your child in household chores like making shopping list, right? Error and trial theory, let them do errors, and by doing errors, don't shout them that you do it wrong. Let them do error, and after some time you are able to see that they correct over it and now they are doing it correctly. Seventh point is first 1 week help them to follow the routine and then take help away slowly over the time. These are the ways through which you are able to make your child organize. Thank you.
Parents, if you find it helpful, please like and share it. Thanks for watching.